to ear humans. So I hope all of you here take it for granted. That's the end of our presentation. Thanks for attending. Is there any questions? No question. So the teacher.
Okay, so everyone, when you walk to your teacher in university, so please, you say, how do you address them? Beside English, so in other subjects, how do you call your teacher? How do you address your teacher? But you never say teacher. Teacher is just for primary school, okay? Because in my class, I think in a general address for all of the people who work with students, okay? So that's why I say teacher. But if you work in another country, you say teacher, they will laugh at you. They think you don't know how to call them. They think you don't know how to address your teacher, okay? You say lecturer or Mr. or Miss, okay? You shouldn't call teacher, miss, okay, miss or mister. That is the appropriate the way